Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how we can measure something that is too high or too far to reach? For example, how can we find the height of a building without climbing it? Or imagine this, a ladder is leaning against a wall. How can we find how high it reaches without measuring it directly? In this activity, you will watch a short video that explains how we can solve problems like this using the Pythagorean theorem. The video shows a special triangle called a right triangle. It has one angle that measures 90 degrees. The squares of the two shorter sides when added together are equal to the square of the longest side. The two shorter sides are called the legs, and the longest side is called the hypotenuse. Now, let's go back to our example. The ladder is 10 meters long and 6 meters away from the wall. How high does it reach? Let's solve it step by step. 10 squared is 100. 6 squared is 36. Subtracting give us 64. And the square root of 64 is 8. So, the ladder reaches 8 meters high.